In today's video, I'll teach you how to change default PDF viewer on Android. So for that, what you have to do is open the settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Tap on this option apps. So on the Android app, you'll not be able to find the default PDF viewer app in the default app section. So what you have to do is simply tap on this option see all apps. Now you'll be able to see all of the applications over here. What you have to do is simply locate the app that is set as the default PDF viewer. Now after you locate the app, what you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of that particular app. Simply scroll down. Tap on this option open by default. Now once you do that, in some of the Android devices, you'll be able to find the option for clear defaults. What you have to do is tap on it. For the Android devices like mine, this option is not available. So what you can do is toggle off this button right next to the option for open supported links. But keep in mind, along with the PDF, other supported links will also not be opened in this application by default. Now after that, what you have to do is go back. Now simply choose the application that you want to use as the default PDF viewer. Now in this interface too, tap on this option open by default. Now make sure this option for open supported links is toggled on over here. Now once you do that, this application will be set as default for viewing the PDF. So that is how you change default PDF viewer on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.